Good morning, guys. It's Sunblock again. Out here in Cedar City at SouthView Trailhead, I think. It's where lava flow and Lichen or Lichen are. Today I'm gonna actually take Turnpike up to Black Ops and Elevate. I've never done those trails, any of the three, but I'm gonna be on the e-bike again. I've been charging it this morning, waiting at the trailhead for it to get done. I'm a little nervous, but it is what it is. I'll be leaving the generator outside because it's super hot and I don't want to waste any more time because I got to drive home. So I'm just going to hope that people are honest and don't steal it. Hopefully they can't see it, so that'll be part of it. But anyway, let's get rolling. Hopefully this is a good trails, a lot of fun, and maybe give you guys a look at something you want to go out and try. All right, turn this thing on. This is the trailhead, which is pretty nice. You got a little bathroom up here. And then a cool little bike path. Bathroom. Pay what you feel. Mechanic station, that's kind of cool. Pretty sweet. I wonder how far this bike path goes. If it loops all the way around. All right, so here is the Turnpike turn. So this is more of like a cross-country traversing trail from what I read on Trail Forks. Time for me to get a new laptop. Mine's old, especially in computer years. It's been struggling, and just not sure which way to go. If you have any ideas, other YouTubers out there want to throw in some advice. I have a MacBook Pro. Ooh. But it's like 6-7 years old now. It's gotten my money worth out of it. Oh my gosh, I parked at Walmart in Cedar last night and went and got something to eat at Applebee's. Oh, I got people up ahead. So anyway, I had dinner at Applebee's inside. It was so weird. They were like really diligent about cleaning. When I got back to the van, I was like ready. I was watching a movie, and all of a sudden I hear this dude talking super loud, like aggressively, and they sound like two kids. So I like open the door, and he's like, "Oh, these are my niece and nephew. Blah blah blah. Sorry, they're new to Cedar. I'm showing them." And I'm like, "Okay, that was weird." But yeah, he was just talking really, honestly, I think he was recruiting them for some illegal shit. And you're like, oh, that's conspiracy theory, Donna. No, what he was saying definitely supported that idea. What I did find funny is how he was talking about how big of a badass he was and how mean and like blah, 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 blah. He kept saying it over and over again. And part of me is like, if you're that much of a badass, your reputation should speak for itself. You shouldn't have to say it. Usually when people say stuff like that, they're like presenting as a big bear and they're like a little tiny cub. But anyway, I don't know. That's just me. I was just like the whole time, and they were sat there and were talking about stuff for like 45 minutes. Van life. That is one thing I would like to have. I'm not completely set on windows, but it would be nice to be able to see. I thought about cameras too, but then you gotta have power. I don't have that yet. Okay. All right, we are at the cross section of Turnpike and Elevate. You're coming this direction, and then you come to this sign. So left is where we're gonna go. Elevate to hit to Black Ops, and then come back. And if you wanted to stay on Turnpike, you would go right. So pretty cool. Loving it so far. Hope you guys are enjoying it, and let's keep going. Woo! You! I just don't know what's coming. Oh shit. I just don't know what's coming. Look at all these freaking flyaways. This trail is definitely probably better the second time. Oh, look at that. Righteous. Next time. Probably like hit it by myself. Have a long drive home. Bing. Oh, this trail is freaking rad. Johnny and Christopher would like this one. Double. That's rad. I want to hit those so bad, but not the smart move. Oh shit, that was bad. I like checked up last second. Oh, that's rad. I'm not going fast enough. Oh shit. Oh damn. Is that a drop? Oh, totally doable. Yeah. I'm tired. Hitting my legs. Oh, spun out. Oh, my legs. Ooh. Getting sloppy. Oh, I'm getting real sloppy. So back on Turnpike. Get to go out the way we came. Oh, you're okay. You're okay. Thank you, guys. Ow! Oh! Not exactly what I had in mind today. I got bit by a dog. Hey guys. So, first and foremost, you're probably looking and like, whoa, what the hell happened to your hair? So this video was filmed quite a while ago, and the sort of semi-funny fact is that I have a bunch of videos still to get out, that some of which are from like way back February, January, March, and then also some later on, like Snow Summit. I've got some Brian Head, all of that stuff, and it's just work has been stupid crazy. But my focus here is I wanted to just do like a real quick, I didn't record anything really after this ride, mostly because I wanted to get home, and two, I ended up stopping in St. George to get checked out, get a tetanus shot, get it cleaned out professionally, irrigated, all that stuff. So I got it taken care of, all is well. It's healed. It looks like I'll have two scars, you know, where the teeth went in, but I'm okay. I think my main thing is I don't want anybody to like, I hope that people can understand that accidents happen. I'm not mad at the couple. They were very sincerely apologetic. They offered to give me their info. They were very open to whatever I wanted to do. I was kind of caught off guard. I sat there with them for a little bit and then just decided to go. I just wanted to go. Like, I didn't know what to do. I didn't want to press charges. I didn't want to do anything. I didn't want harm coming to the dog. Like I said, shit happens. Like, I had talked to a couple other people on the trail, and none of them had issues with this dog. So, you know, it's just a fluke. They seemed very sincere in that they weren't going to be bringing the dog back out on the trail. You know, then it's also a healer. So that's sort of bred into them. And so I feel like it's a teachable moment for both sides, for me and for them. So for them, if you have a dog that is that style, you know, of breed, you know, maybe if you are going to take them out, focus on really controlling them, making sure you have a tight hold on the leash or getting a little further off the trail. And then that leads me into what I can learn from it, which is, you know, I have passed a lot of dogs on the trails, just in general. And I always felt like I was like, especially if they're on a leash, it doesn't concern me as much. Now, I get nervous when a dog approaches me and I don't know them and they're off leash. But this was a little different in that it was supposedly, you know, controlled. So my lesson is to think of the unthinkable in those moments, you know, to prepare for it. I could have gotten off my bike and walked past the people, you know, or given a little more space. It's just one of those situations where it all happened really fast. I was going relatively slow. But yeah, so I don't wish any ill will to them. I hope that people are considerate and kind and realize that, you know, maybe put yourself in that position. I know that's what I did. You know, if one of my animals bit somebody, I mean, I have little dogs, so, you know, it's like an ankle. But I just try to put myself in that position, and again, I don't have any ill will to them. They were very apologetic. They offered all of their information. They said the dog was up to date on all of its shots and all of that. So I just be kind, you know, especially with the way the world is right now. Like you know, it happened to me. And so I think they learned a lesson and I learned a lesson. And that's all we can kind of take away from this. You know, like I said, I got my tetanus shot. I got it cleaned out. I made it home. I'm good to go. It was kind of like a bad 2 weeks for me. I had the dog bite on that Sunday. And then the following Sunday, I was out coaching with the Nika kids here in town. And I biffed it on a stupid section. And I wasn't wearing my knee pads and busted my knee up really good. So you'll see some of that from some of the snow summit footage because I was wearing my knee pads. That was like the following weekend. But anyway, this is it. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned. I got a lot of good stuff coming. I'm so excited. I'm almost overwhelmed with trying to figure out what to publish next. So see you guys next time.